Hey there, it's me again, Corral. After creating our game in the Builder, it's time to access it through the virtual reality. Now we're in the Yo Virtual Reality Arcade. Here we have all the public games and all games created by us and anyone else. We can see all the games here. This is the space game we have just created. Let's go. Earlier we chose the VR environment. Here we can see the VR environment. The question we asked, which of the following is a star? The sun. And our answer is correct. Next. We also created this question to match the planets to the labels. We can grab Mars and throw it in as easy as that. Now the moon. It's that easy to create games and add them into the virtual reality arcade and have anyone play them. That's it, we're all done.